Hi, Keira from Anton here. Welcome back to our teacher series where we will show you everything a teacher needs to know about Anton. Today, I'm going to show you how you can check on your students' progress through the Student History feature. Anton offers two reports, the Student History, which is a part of the free version, and the Classroom Report, which is part of the paid Teacher Plus version. Today, I'll be showing you the free Student History Report. First, navigate to the Groups tab. From here, below your class name, you will select the Members tab. Once you're inside, you can select which student you would like to check the progress of. I'll select Kelly. Now, under Kelly's name, at the top of the screen, I will select History. You can now see an overview of all of Kelly's individual history since she joined your class group. This shows all exercises she's completed, whether assigned or not, as well as the time she spends playing games or designing her avatar. If I look at Science Biology Middle School, Staying Healthy and Fit, I can see that it took Kelly 7 minutes to complete this unit. She answered 57 questions correctly and 5 questions incorrectly. Now, I'm curious to see how Kelly did on individual exercises. So I will click on the unit, Science Biology Middle School, Staying Healthy and Fit, and I can now see how much time it took Kelly to complete each individual exercise, which for the exercise, Healthy Living, she completed in 2 minutes and received 2.7 out of 3 stars. This information is valuable for telling you whether a student took their time on an exercise, as well as help you identify learning gaps as well as potential areas for interventions. Next, I'd like more insights into Kelly's understanding of the topic and want to see her answers to all of the questions. I can view her individual answers by selecting the exercise title and scroll to see her work. If you would like to print the results of a specific exercise, select the printer icon in the upper right corner of the pop-up. Also, you can easily print the student's entire history for individual check-ins, parent-teacher conferences, IEPs, and ILPs. Navigate to the upper right corner and select Print. This prints the overview of the history. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to see more step-by-step tutorial videos on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!